dear students, in last session we learned about adjectives. Now in this we will learn about simple tenses, that is simple present tense, simple past tense and simple future tense. You already have studied these in third or fourth standard in both, but we will revise it again and we will do a little bit of comparison between these three tenses. The first we will do is simple present tense. Now, first of all, that is very mandatory. We will have to understand the structure, right? With he, she, it in present, simple present tense, we will have to use the form of do as does. Then we will have to use has and we will use s or es with verb, right? But in I, we, you and they, we will use do, then have and then root, right? If I want to give an example, he does his work, right? You do your work. Likewise, the structure of these all will be like this. He does his work. So with he, she, it, we use does. He does, she does, it does. But in I, we, you and they, with these all four, we will use do. You do, I do, we do, they do. Likewise. With has, she has a car. We have a car. So likewise in has also, with he, she, it, we will use has. He has, she has, it has. The meaning of has is कि हमारे पास अगर कुछ है और हम बोलना चाहते हैं कि मेरे पास ये है, अगर उसके पास ये है, right? So we use has for this. He has, she has, it has, right? She has a car. उस लड़की के पास कार है. She has a car. Now with I, we, you and they in simple present tense, we will use have. We have a car. Likewise, we have, I have, you have and they have, right? And the last is about verb. He Now, in verb, there is minor difference that with he, she and it, we will have to use verb with ending with s or es. मान लीजिए अगर verb जो कि एक verb है वो है laugh यानी कि हंसना, right? So laugh के साथ अगर हम यूज करते हैं he, she, it, तो I will have to add s or es at the end of the verb. So laugh के साथ मैंने यहाँ पर end में लिखा है s. He laughs, right? So he, she, it के साथ हमें s और es verb के end में add करना है, right? And with I, we, you and they, we will use root verb. Root verb is a simple verb form, right? Laugh. So laugh is a main verb. We added s or as according to the situation. And if we are using he, she, it, we will add s or es at the end of the verb. So he, she, it के साथ does, has and verb के end में s और es लगाना है in the simple present tense, right? And with I, we, you and they, हमें do use कर सकते हैं, हम have use कर सकते हैं and verb है वो root verb यानी कि main verb रखना है, right? So now we will do simple past tense with the same pattern, and at last we will do some exercise. Okay. Simple past tense. He, she, and it. Here, I, we, you, and at last they. Now we will have to remember that in past form we will have to convert some things, right? With in present tense we use am, is, and are, right? I am, he is, she is, it is, right? But we will have to use here was instead of is, right? And here were instead of am and are, right? I will write an example for that. He is a good boy. He was a good boy, right? In simple present tense it will be like he is a good boy, so I have used is here, right? But if we are going to convert it into past, simple past tense, अगर हमें convert करना है simple past tense में, we will have to convert is into was, right? So हमें is remove करके उसमें क्या ऐड करना है, उसी जगह पे was. Likewise, he was, she was, it was. And here I were, we were, you were, right? If I say I am a teacher, then I was a teacher, right? So हमें क्या यूज करना है, we, you and them के साथ, sorry, them के साथ हमें यूज करना है were, right? So हम was को यूज करेंगे he, she, it and I, remember, and we, you and they के साथ हम यूज करेंगे were, right? So I am a teacher, उसका क्या हो जाएगा, I was a teacher, and he is a good boy, उसका हो जाएगा he was a good boy. So was and were हमें is and are की जगह यूज करना है. Now we will have to use did for both. Remember, in simple present tense we used do and does, right? हमने क्या यूज किया था यहाँ पे, do and does, उसका हो जाएगा did, right? So she did, he did, it did, I did, we did. do और does को हमें चेंज करके पास्ट में बनाने के लिए हमें यूज करना पड़ेगा do and does के जगह पे did, right? So do does को हम चेंज करके did लिखेंगे. He does a good job. अगर प्रेजेंट का ये सेंटेंस है, सिंपल प्रेजेंट का, he does a good job, right? So it will change into he did a good job, right? So हमने क्या यहाँ पे चेंज किया, does को निकाल के हमने क्या यूज किया, did, right? इसी तरह से हमें यहाँ पे पास्ट टेंस में did यूज करना है, किसकी जगह पे, do और does की जगह पे, right? The next is have. Remember, in simple present tense we used have and has. Have and has, right? हमने सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में यूज किया था हैव एंड हैज, लेकिन उसे हमें क्या करना है, हेड में कन्वर्ट करना है, राइट? सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में हम हैव हैज लिखेंगे एंड सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में हमें इन सभी प्रोनाउंस के साथ हमें यूज करना है हैड. सो ही हैज अ कार. ये सेंटेंस है सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस का, राइट? ही हैज अ कार, उसके पास एक कार है. नाउ हमें क्या करना है, उसे चेंज करना है सिंपल पास्ट में. एज आई सेड, हैव हैज की जगह हमें क्या यूज करना है पास्ट में, सिंपल पास्ट में हैड, राइट? सो ही हैड अ कार, उसके पास एक कार थी, राइट? सो वी विल चेंज had with has, right? Has with had. So had is clear, and now the past form of verb. Past form of वर्ब. रिमेंबर, हमने प्रेजेंट टेंस में क्या किया था, एस और ईएस लगाया था, राइट? प्रेजेंट के एंड में. सो इफ आई राइट he is for example he laughs, right? So this is a simple present tense. He laughs. Why? Because we added s. हमने क्या सिंपल टेंस में ऐड किया था, laugh के पीछे s, laughs, right? So simple present tense में होगा ये he laughs. But in simple past tense, as you all know, we will have to make it a past form of verb. So it will become he laughed, and we added here ed into verb. So likewise we will have to write past form of verb with these all pronouns. Now the last we are going to study is simple future tense. Now simple future tense is very easy to understand and to remember. He, she and it. राइट? अब हमें ये याद करना है कि प्रेजेंट टेंस में हमने क्या लिया था, डू एंड डज, राइट? डू एंड डज लिया था. पास्ट फॉर्म में हमने क्या लिया था, डिड, राइट? उसका कन्वर्ट करके. और अब हमें फ्यूचर में क्या करना है, सिर्फ और सिर्फ वी विल हैव टू ऐड विल. विल डू, यहाँ पे विल डू, राइट? यहाँ पर हमने क्या किया, विल डू और डस के डू और डस को यूज करेंगे प्रेजेंट टेंस में. देन पास्ट में हम उसका करेंगे डिड, एंड इन फ्यूचर टेंस, सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस, वी विल डू, विल प्लस डू, राइट? एंड we will remember that in verb, right? In verb, if I say laugh, in present. Laughed in past. So in future tense, right? Remember this. In present tense, the main verb is laugh. In past, it is laughed. At last, we will add ed, and in future, it will become will plus verb. यानी will laugh, right? So यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है? मेन वर्ब के साथ हमें यूज करना है will plus main verb. So here it will remain the same in both with he, she, it, and I, we, you, and they. Will do, then will plus main verb, right? So now you all know about present tense, simple present tense, simple past tense, and simple future tense. Now to make it very simple for you, first of all we will do some example of simple future tense. He does his work. He did his work. He will do his work. Now it is of present, then it is of past, and it is of future. So I have drawn table in three all of that. So you just have to change it accordingly as I have shown you. In present tense, if I write he does his homework, right? So the rest of the part will remain same. He सभी जगह पे same रहेगा, right? He and his work. We will just have to change the main thing. In present tense में हमने यहाँ पे लिखा था does. He के साथ आएगा, he, she, it के साथ does, right? So he does his work. अब हम इसको अगर past में convert करते हैं तो do does की जगह में क्या करना था? Did. Remember? He did his work. Now, as we have made the past, the last one is future. In future tense, as I told you, that we just have to add will. So, will do. He will do his work. Now we will do one of has also. He has a car, right? प्रेजेंट में क्या होगा उसका? He has a car. अब हमें क्या करना है? ये चीजें सेम लिखनी है, right? He वैसे का वैसे. Now we just have to change has. मैंने क्या बोला था? Has को हम चेंज करेंगे had में, right? He had a car, right? In future tense, we will write he will have a car, right? So what we did here, we changed has with had, right? And had को last में हमें क्या करना है? Will have, right? Will have से हमें इसको बदलना है. So in past tense it will be has, in present it will be has, in past it is had, and in future we will just have to add will. Here also will and here also will. So now you all know about these simple forms of three tenses: present, past, and future. And we also compared it with each other so that you can know it in better way. So now you can learn it by yourself at home. Thank you.